show you how to quickly set up an IK rig for any Fortnite skin. Super simple to do. So first press tab to get into edit mode, or you can go to edit mode up here. Then you want to go to the hand bone right here, shift D to duplicate it, and then you want to go to the bone settings and parent it to the root, enter. Then we go into pose mode, select both bones and hit shift I, and then it will make this one active. Then you want to select this one and go to this setting and turn on rotation and change the chain length to 3. Then you want to select this one, and now you have an IK rig. You can move the hands around. You just want to repeat this 3 more times, so I'll do it now for the leg. So get the bone, edit mode, shift D to duplicate, select the bone, go into the bone settings, change the parent to the root. Then you want to go into pose mode, select both bones, shift I to active bone. Then you want to select this one and change the chain length to 3 and turn on rotations. And now you have IK for the leg. So I'm just going to speed this part up and I'll do the other side of the body. Okay, and now we have a IK rig that works. So if you want to do what I was doing earlier, just select the pelvis bone and now you can move it. If you want to know how to move the arm around, select the new bone that we made and hold G to move it around and R to rotate it, and now you can easily pose, and that's it.